This is how to correct pronunciation in ElevenLabs when the AI voice says words wrong. On the text-to-speech page, write this test sentence into the text input box. The day-tah from en-jin-ex shows how the schedule affects our route planning. Click Generate and listen to how the voice pronounces these common problem words.
The data from nginx shows how the schedule affects our route planning.
You'll probably hear day-tah instead of day-tah and nginx, or something weird for nginx. You have two ways to fix pronunciation depending on which model you choose. For precise control, use 11 Flash version 2 or 11 Turbo version 2 models. These older models support SSML phoneme tags for exact pronunciation. Now go back to your text and find the word day-tah. Replace it with this exact code. The letters represent the sounds and the numbers show stress levels. Next, find the word en-jin-ex in your text. Replace it with this code. Your full sentence should look like this. Generate the audio, and you should hear perfect pronunciation.
The data from nginx shows how the schedule affects our route planning.
To learn how to write CMU Arpabet codes for any word, visit the CMU Pronouncing Dictionary website. I'll leave a link in the description where you can look up the pronunciation codes for over 134,000 words. If you prefer using the newer models like 11 Multilingual version 2 or Flash version 2.5, you need to use phonetic spelling tricks instead. Change data to day-tah using dashes. Change en-jin-ex to en-jin-ex. Generate this version and test if the phonetic spelling works for your chosen voice.
The day-tah from nginx shows how the schedule affects our route planning.
Try different variations like day-tah or day-tah until you find what sounds best.